All right, 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 big block 4-speed. This is a very cool car. Green on green. Got a sticker on the back saying it went to college in Virginia in the 70s, early 70s, right when it was brand new. So how cool would that be to go to school with this as your daily driver? Man. We'll go functionality, and then we will go for a drive. It's a non-AC car, I'm going to tell you that right away. You do have some astro ventilation. It is nice. AC would be great today. It's about 90 with a high humidity and a little bit of forest fire smoke coming in from Canada. So we are thick today. Park lights, headlights, high beams. I think the high beam is burned out of your passenger there. Both dual headlights do work. High beam mode, it does cut out. Wipers, low, high. They tuck away really nice. Push in to wash. There is fluid in the reservoir. I don't know if I hear a pump. And off. How nice they do that. Very good. Signal, left, right. Cigarette lighter right here. Looks original. Doesn't, a little corrosion. Doesn't smell of smoke or anything like that. Radio, it works. Very good. Very good. All right, we're gonna do some HVAC here. Fan high. It's on your feet currently. Cool air. Defrost is off. If we go to hot, it will get warm. It works. De-ice will kick up to the windshield, and it does. Somewhere in the middle. Maybe we'll get some other vents. Not so. Off. Footwell vents are right here, and they might be what they're calling astro vents with the balls where you can control the vents. I don't know. Someone let me know in the comments how these work. Footwell vents open, windows down. That is it for that. Gauge wise, we have a speedometer, and the rest are lights and a fuel gauge, which looks like the sender may not be connected. Showing 47,741 miles. Unsure if that's original. This car has been restored, I can tell you that. Looking at it, it's at least been painted. The seals look very nice. I would ballpark it 10, 15 years or so. The knobs have yellowed a little bit, so they could have left that alone and not restored that. May just be a paint job. Go for a drive, you know. Hurst shifter works really well. Linkage is great. No issues there. Feels like a close ratio Muncie. The one everybody wants. Runs out about 55-60. Yeah, glove box. You have some original literature. It is Reproduction. That it is in there. It's just tough to open. Okay, well, we will play with these as we drive to see which one moves air which way. And we'll keep going here. Parking brake does work. Release does work as well. Light works. So everything works aside from what I can see is the high beam passenger front. All right, here's reverse, detent, left and up. You hear the reverse lights kick on. There you go. Out of the detent, left and up first. Car rides really nice, no unusual clunks, bangs, or dings, anything like that going on. You have day-night mode here, it works well. I'm gonna kick this out of the way so you're not staring me right in the eyes. that close ratio I'm talking about. You do have a shoulder belt. Early 69, 70, they were doing that two-piece belt buckle deal. Into high gear, moving, doing about 60. Sounds about like 3,000 RPM. Steering wheel just a little bit off center, not bad. Car track's really nice. Seems to stay where I point it. Very good. Very quiet. Nice exhaust on here. Muscle, but not annoying. Right down the hill, 65 miles an hour, running it out. You know, that's kind of, there's plenty of grunt and muscle here. There's 75. She's singing. Feels great though. I'd throw a 5-speed in it, be done. Get your overdrive, get down to 2,000 RPM at 70, just drive it. Alright, you guys, check it out at frankmanmotors.com. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle. Any questions, give us a call. More than happy to help you get some more pictures, put it up on the hoist, get some undercarriage. I'll get some for our own records too, so if you need those, ask a salesman. They should have access to that. Other than that, you know, any other specific questions, videos you may need, do not hesitate to give us a call. We are here to help. Then if you got a little more time on your hands, head over to YouTube. Give me a like, share, and subscribe on this. It all helps. And if you got even more time, watching another video is really helpful for our channel. It makes it so people can scroll and see our videos and just kind of spreads it out for us. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see ya. Alright, from second here. Go once again. Lots of muscle coming off there. You can feel the engine pulling. That's that big block torque. Real good. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.